You think you're funny, do you?
Repeated addition leads us to multiplication. Repeated subtraction leads us to division.
Here we have a row of 3 stars and a second row and a third row. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. This is repeated addition. If we rearrange the rows to make an array, I have 3 groups of 3 rows of 3, which is the same as multiplication. 3 groups of 3 equals 9, which is the same as 3 times 3 equaling 9. The inverse of addition is subtraction. Here, when I subtract 3 from 9 3 times, I end up with 0. 9 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 equals 0. 9 divided by 3 equals 3.
Division is what we use to have equal shares. Fractions are equal shares. When we talk about one part out of many equal parts, that's a unit fraction. Third graders need to know what a unit fraction is.
This situation would come up if there was 1 brownie and 3 people, and we had to divide 1 by 3. Equal shares, because no one's going to want to have a piece smaller than anyone else. 1 divided by 3 is the unit fraction 1/3. My numerator is a 1. Each person enjoys 1/3 of the brownie.
Here's something I want you to consider. 2 whole brownies. 1 brownie is broken into 3 pieces. Another brownie the same size is broken into 8 pieces. I hope you can see that 1 part out of 3 is way bigger than 1 part out of 8. This means that 1/3, the unit fraction 1/3, is bigger than 1/8, even though the denominator, 8, is a larger number. 8 tells me how many pieces there are. If there are 8 pieces of the same whole, they're smaller than 1 piece out of 3 if there are 3 pieces out of that same size whole. Let's take a look at some examples using an app that I think is really powerful. It's Fraction Circles. Let's do some comparisons.
I love using this app because there is no thinking involved. It's just right there in front of you. Put 3 pieces on, each piece is 1/3. On the other whole of the same size, let's put 8s. There are 8 gray pieces, each piece is 1/8. If I put 1/3 down, and then next to it 1/8, I can see 1/3 is so much bigger than 1/8. You count the pieces here to see if you can tell the size of the fractions. Those are fifths. Compared to tenths, which is larger. Even though 5 is a smaller number, 1/5 is much bigger. In fact, it's twice as big as 1/10. The denominator 10 means I have 10 equal pieces to make a whole.
I hope that helps you understand that the denominator helps you compare the sizes of unit fractions. The larger the denominator, the smaller the piece.
I need to know everything. I need to know everything. Who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George. I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse. I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats to turn to a ghost. I need to know everything.